some directions are prophetic directions. And then we catch you say there are directions we don't put online. There are directions we don't say it. Because a hint at the air and a hint at them.
Okay.
Into what direction they have to do, I can't say it public. Even when the NDC approached me, I still told the NDC that the constituency is in favor of NPP. Direction and Yamede Ma Mea. Miyema NDC for over 2030 constituency. I am inquiring from God whether you give me the permission to repeat to do that direction for the NDC in Ablekumanov. Because that direction, the moment I do it, that is all. Nothing can be done. And found in the power, you can't mean as soon as NPP for the buyer. It was a diversion. They wanted to divert the NDC. Because me, I know everything that happens in that constituency. While some cars say they won't be part, now they were campaigning secretly in the constituency. At night, your bomb pire na John Ameun say NPP phobia kwa ye rituals. Public man off. Around 12 o'clock at night. So I called two of my people and I said, let's go to Ablekuma. At 1 o'clock near Ablekuma.
Okay.
Yeah, back to Ablekuma to overturn what they did. Make us say they were rather attacking me. In power because they were having power. That's what I say. So they were rather attacking me. They were rather doing things. Chasing you, calling you national security. BNI is calling you. This one's calling you. As if you are owing somebody. But you're just giving prophecy.
And no one yaw the woman, Maudi Yen Yamaditia woman.
Until they keep their evil ways, I'll keep fighting against them.
I could say I have a still a NPP for
NDC for dear. Mameno. That woman is having a special grace. Would have helped them. So that's it. That woman, I must say, a very special grace.
Okay.
The grace upon that lady. So no one saying the grace. And no one near before Chairman for Uncle Bosomo. Now we didn't meet here. And no because of the party NPP has become a bloody party. Me, I'm telling you. NPP is not going to win 2028 election. So NPP is in exile for 12 years. They should rather change their mind.
I will say more about a debate to Maji so and Mensa Aka Prophet Bohyeba and woman Jawa, your baby D and Como, and their fat near course so Ablekuma, North no or your one prophet named Comshe Ekeyipa. Before election, no Ebabacos more than Simbi, ever two jar Edima NPP fortress said, woman yet ye yan ye sefata as some ever formers, so one more year, so man ye, you got to abandon na as some afa NPP for as ene, your boyfriend be beside say a dear and I can say NPP for ye, ya woman ye. We are bay, I could say, a day, any beef I could say so at the upper. Violence a course war soon from a name be quite done. Too much age, Master also me as a subscriber so first time here. A ya kind of father on the count, seven upload YouTube, the only first person. Ya was that if you kind of keep me, so woman. Come on, your more before Quabanafi. Ya fire and common issues. What if from Wakaba?
We never. I mean, sure.
We have also.
I don't know how mobility. Christian, we are mobile.
Ablekuma North.
Yeah.
For your quarter of an area. NPP for Lucy.
Son is a code.
Almost all you Lucy, dear, but you Lucy, the ref wedding episode, but as a Lucy no crash room. By Rebaho. Now, any kind share the obvious trends are echoso. Ablekuma North. Tower course so. Your mamma how a cousin. Ya boys you call bono. Any deputy organizer with your Musaka can. Baby a Ghana you do. 19 electoral areas. Girls see who's animal Mariana.
Muneba Yenamiose. If you say, or none or Domuye, or no son of my income. All glory belong to God. You know what?
No.
I will come to what you said, what NDC have to do. before I come to the violence issue.
Okay.
My message, I gave the NPP a message. And some directions are prophetic directions. And then Mekachi say there are directions we don't put online. There are directions we don't say it. Because a hint the and a hint them.
Okay.
Into what direction they have to do, I can't say it public. But I told them, some party leaders, I told them. That is it. Long ago, even before the NDC approached me. Long ago. Said, this is what you have to do. This is what you have to do. So even when the NDC approached me, I still told the NDC that the constituency is in favor of NPP. The election is in favor of NPP. Spiritually, that is what I see.
Was it because na NPP for strong hold?
No, they can. And you're strong when I'm losing. Is it not their strong?
Okay.
Is it not their strong? Your consistency will be a strong when we lose. So that is not it. But spiritually, when I look into the cave, it was for them. But if you disobey God, you get the reward of punishment.
Okay.
And I said, okay, I told the NDC that, okay, I'm giving the NPP up to this time. If they do not come, I'll go with you. Now, even when the NDC approached me, I was on my word for them that unless the NPP did not do what I asked them to do, I'm a very firm person.
Okay.
It took only one person in the NDC. And no, we can't beat Jeremiah.
Let's see.
I pick it. So when that person came in, I said, I'll do it.
And I'm born at Daniel the NDC for.
So we visited the constituency. And did the direction. And overturned it.
And then I said, before Yana, more can say, and be say, yes, maybe be so home for Hunamunia, dedicated so home for my son, a pure Hunamini. It is spiritually not Bibia, a tresse, a banner, NPP for the idea. Niamia can be the son.
Who told you? In America, Namia Qua. So that's it. Send me the message now. And you don't listen to God. You think God will be on your side? Do you think God is that cheap? Nyamia message. Nyamia ama wase debi. You think if you do not do what God asks you to do, God will come in and say because you are nice, because you are good, because you are this, so something will happen. God will only act for those who listen to him, and those who obey him, and those who obey his prophet, the word of his prophet.
Okay.
So he has given the instruction through his prophet that do this, and you choose that you won't do it, you go to Malams. You choose that you won't do it, you go and do rituals. And you think when I saw that what I told you to do, you are not willing to do it for God to be on your side, but you are rather going to Malams to go and do rituals. You think I should sit down?
Oh, okay. So what man who consult
that is it. That is it. Until that be a because even when that person approached me, this person I told about I no, when she even told me, I told me tell me partner say, okay, this is it. Direction and made the man me yema NDC for over 2030 constituency no more lose back openo. I am inquiring from God whether you give me the permission to repeat to do that direction
for the NPP.
For the NDC. I'm telling about the NDC.
Okay.
For the NDC in Ablekumanov. Because that direction, the moment I do it, that is all. Nothing can be done. And found in the power, you can't me name. So I said I will inquire from God. She give me up to Thursday. Say Yamama me ukaya, me kwakoye. Yamesoma me ukaya.
Na odifo. Say NPP for na ma one for ni atuma me kunani no.
Oh, na se kunande kuna for bebre. That doesn't determine who should be a leader.
A car boy.
That doesn't determine. Obi aboka. The aboka no ntinya me a. Should we follow you?
It be so crash, say, Sa loose ye by enye loose bi a wo say ubi beji ho menase me na me ye mamu loose because JF ke ne kwadi ka mamu loose aba na asa no mokoto fi so no ba be kan say aba no ye nko o ma by court afei e di be 3 days na no masa nsama dwenti no electoral areas ho no wo mo anke be kwa koto aba no mo nim say NPP for the omo koto.
That is not the thing. Asana NPP for the buyer no. It was a diversion. They wanted to divert the NDC. That is it, because me, I know everything that happens in that constituency.
Okay.
While some cars say they won't be part, you know. Now they were campaigning secretly in the constituency at night. Now they were campaigning seriously at night. So if you say you are not part of the campaign, they are flag bearers. Those who are looking for flag bearership were in the constituency at night campaigning.
Okay.
So it's not that someone here campaign. It's not that so be a KBB. No. Now so be catch you say it is not what somebody has done. I think somebody was telling me that since 1992 or 1990 something, NPP has never lost that seat. Are you getting me? So if for this long time and check some of the elections in that constituency, now check imagine now NPP at the BT and NDC. You go and check it. So even if this one say you one vote in pool and the NDC the BT NPP, is it not a win?
It's a win.
Is it not a win?
Yeah, it is.
So it doesn't care whatever happened. A win is a win. All we need is for somebody to win.
Yeah.
And now about 1 year.
There be win here. I like the very good. So go na yafife.
That is it. So you come ball. Now I bobo afe. Why you then want me and say go? Now they want more as you go. You could be say one a winning match, you know. You can't say one a bobo. Are you getting me? One a winning match, you know. And now I'm a transfer for everything. I'm here Chelsea winning. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
So you see, when people are ignorant of God, they talk carnally. Yeah. I can show you a message. And I repeated that thing because I'm showing this message because even the man himself, the man that chat with me himself, as we are taking screenshot of this message, I send it across. So it means he has given the go ahead and message to me. I normally keep people's message secret is a secret. But I don't know who can say, Prophet, this thing is between me and you. Me, I've sent it to people. So you can also talk about it.
Okay.
So that's here. So I'll show you to you. A very great one. I'll show you to you.
Okay.
But it didn't need the young family.
Martin.
But chatting on can and person. What can mommy? But I don't say it didn't.
Yes, please.
Won't be beefy.
Yeah, my home be beefy. You do pa be finity.
Only beefy. All right. Into the message.
Okay, so good evening, prophets of the world. I salute your grace. There is no doubt looking at what God is using you to do, that you are the chosen prophet for governmental power and rulers of our time. Please, prophet, I want to know if we, the NDC, will win Ablekuma North as the EC has decided to go for a rerun.
Thank you.
So your response. Greetings, please. Peace and blessings be to you. In my vision, Ablekuma North is in favor of the NPP.
So you see that I've never changed my word?
Yeah.
You see that I've never changed my word? Let's continue.
The NPP will win Ablekuma North seats. In my vision, that's what I saw. Okay, so he said, hey, Prophet, please do something for us, please. Has the NPP come to see you? No. I will wait till Wednesday. If they don't come to see me, then I can overturn it for you. Okay, we will pray. So, then yours. But me, the massive majority that you people have in parliament, I don't know what you are using it for. You will not even know you will not even know that the NDC is having this majority
in parliament. Yes,
they are even weaker the micro minority. Oh, Prophet, it's not like that. Okay, so I don't know what they are using the majority they have for. Prophet, we beg you, just for this one, help us as you helped us during the general election last year. If Wednesday the NPP doesn't come, then I will decide. I will go to the constituency and blow the Gideon trumpet to overturn the seat for the NDC. Thank you, Prophet. I know they won't come because of their pride. So definitely it will be given to us. Let's see what happens. Good night. Okay, thank you, Prophet.
Have you seen them?
Yeah.
What's the commodity in the coin?
That is a chance in the crowd.
I gave them that. Yes. So they say penny for a boat to Amia, but catch on some 20 before.
Oh, Mama.
Have I been biased?
No.
No.
You've been fair.
Yes. I've given them time. But they've never came. I'm going to run more. And I said, if they did not come, then I can visit the constituency. And then I will now lift the Gideon trumpet and do my direction and overturn it for the NDC. Is he an agency?
Yes.
I don't say. We call your direction on Thursday. We on Thursday we are around 3 something. Your bomb pie na John and me say NPP phobia kwa your rituals. Public man off. Around 12 o'clock na Yes. So I called 2 of my people and I said, let's go to Ablekuma. At 1 o'clock near Ablekuma.
Okay.
Yeah, back to Ablekuma to overturn what they did. That is it. That is it.
For some spiritual battle here course or consistency and no can be escalate
You know, when things are spiritual, you won't understand the consequences of it. Because at the end of spiritual, will be other terms of say and according to in light of their okita 2 minutes spiritual there will be problem.
Okay.
Because the person will try to overturn the event. As I say, it happened. And because you are trying to overturn the event, things will be against you. As for the one you've asked me about the violence, how come say, as for how goes, I don't want to talk about that. Do you know the things our Guzin did in Kaswa?
Okay.
Do you know how what she did to people in Kaswa? Do you know what her boys did to people in Kaswa?
It's Udifo, Ubi Binano, net and yet into be na a yet it watatana. And I next young condemn say and yet.
Bible said you are chasing heading.
Who was a kind?
Thank you.
And how comes that you say who was a kind?
That is it. No, trust and I mean I'm joy. Bible mean I'm joy.
But the difference away no a election.
That is it. But also they see what Kaswa.
Okay.
A election. But as soon as somebody do. Some tea me.
No,
some tea me on be there some for you. Some tea me. On bed na Morocco, any Sudan, and the nam abosom so and on nam dahome. Some tea me. Me, I wish send Kabad now, and people will realize their fault.
Okay.
No we tell you we are tramping ya me say that I feel we mobile. No more sister will not be. No more rebuild the woman and seek the face of God. Are you getting me? And move in a new direction. But they are still the old people we know. They're still the old people. Nothing new has changed about them. Nothing new. No different ways. They are still on their own path. So, if a prophet is from God and you are going to Malams, should the prophet of God be in line with you?
Okay.
Should he?
No.
No, I won't do that. I would rather seek for those who are seeking God. Those who want God to do it for them. After all, NDC approached me. They did not go to Malam. they approach me.
Odifo about to be a na sum.
Yeah.
Enti send your say NPP foi omo dani omo ni efri nyame otu betimi do say subu aka say NDC fo ni nyina and the consulting nyame ana.
Me nka so mo nyina. Me nka so mo nyina because NDC fo nyina na so nyame. I know people who doesn't go to church.
Send the same way applies to the NPP.
We are talking about party leadership.
It's NPP the party leadership no to me confirm so
from the leadership to the little they are rotting. Yes. After all, when it comes to the NDC, we are seeing the evidence. I'm dealing with people according to what they are doing.
Because evidence now you are seeing anywhere here. What can I say?
Oh, you want the man penny here.
Okay.
So what I say, from during the election, after the election, you won't say they were gathered so full. You won't say they were taking Bible. You won't say they were taking spiritual things. You won't say they were seeking by the more. Now, yeah. Yes, I call National Thanksgiving and Prayer Day.
Okay.
So that's it. NPP from NDC from penny for it to me transfer. A friend in a pa. It be sound. Yenye day. You draw na mombe. Yenye way saying. Are you getting me? So when the leadership is engaging God, and finally you'll be your baby, the leadership is engaging God.
Okay.
But this one, the leadership is not engaging God.
And I'm not so pray for it.
That is it. Diano asie me kure no mono say ne hime ne kure no mono say a top no bu kura na ne hime no de wokia it be fife bi.
Okay.
Awo de ne hime no pro. Na top de gina. Are you getting me? So that is you have diverted from God from when you are in power and God left you. Make us say nyame ja wo mono they are rather attacking me. In power because they are having power. That's what I say. So they were rather attacking me. They were rather doing things, chasing you, calling you national security. You know, BNI is calling you. This one's calling you, as if you are owing somebody. But you are just giving prophecy.
And no one yaw ne woman, Maudi yen Yamaditia womanana.
Until they keep their evil ways, I'll keep fighting against them.
Okay.
I will not fight that God will fight. But I'll still engage on the side of those who love God. Because light and darkness has nothing in common.
As it stands now, it's about Friday,
Yeah.
Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday. Yet, if you man penny ho, I want some marcosi.
And says, me and my penny cramming casa.
Oh, default. So, my penina Yakotwaba, 19 electoral areas, and your whole constituency. No, now violence is
you see what election, you see what Castle was a Akufado can answer. They see what Castle Akufado can answer.
But you see what I was saying, who said what this bandit.
They see what the Chimai, Uncle Foguye, Yako Krakufado Mahom. It was in Krakufado. They sat in parliament, somebody sat in parliament and said those who died were criminals. People are even some were even, students. You couldn't have that conscience. So that's it. You sat and said, only criminals. Kufadu Nkamwase. And then how I come see here Kaswa. Who talk about it under NPP? The day of the election in Kaswa, I was in conversation with my daughter. Nah. I was in conversation with the Kaswa MP now. Do you know the things done against her? I have to be encouraging her and say, you win the seat. Don't worry. They were shooting at her car. Now tax dignity is shooting at my car. What was the intention?
So then again, here we go again. If it wasn't good at that time, same it's not good this time around. Says our time no. How I come sini ye. That's a enya. This time around, so a new just said it was so being so ye. Send him di kan. Ye be kwa kwetia. Ako to by election. It is any akosi. Ye be share how I come sin personality and how I come sin kwa so na violence. Deputy organizer na so safabi. Ono so far yente no wasem be apart from how akumsi na or was some history kakra won ho enti se ye hwe how akumsi ne personality ne ka se maami we die say not say enti ne ato no no eya obia one way or the other no afum obi in a political way It is said the say the could work with the identity.
Agodia. See oh. We are there. We'll see the event. It will unfold. We all see it. It is also made more.
Okay.
Into a very division.
Okay, say Ablukumadi who say a NPP for there.
Yeah.
And Omama whom.
Yeah.
And I could blue trumpet in my NDC.
Yeah.
I could say I Babu still a NPP for
NDC for there.
Odifo.
Yeah.
Seat like what to Swabano. And then listening a few more.
Yeah.
And NPP full seat too.
Yeah.
NPP member Netiso.
Minim.
It's 1 year we are nothing I walk away.
Minanko Ebameko.
Now some the way.
It will depend on them.
Say Abana Equatorial Cotia, say a NDC for the Messiah Faba.
Yes, until I see that sign about them, no. There is no way. Me, I know, said they are me, no. If you me. So what I say. And I won't do anything that is not from God. They said they are me, and if you me. Not saying I mean 1 month, Triano. Now, quite the full for Odia. Not the Yamia see me saying, one is a me. That is it. You'll be already after. And I'm a man.
Your MP, Yamin from the currency, you shall quite dear first a few more bands and monosa. Yeah. Ain't me, but say, Omo crying this for Cabacasso. A quiet band and a fast with the film cry, who you won't see. Now, a band and a fast, a film, a young one, you come. So who should cry for who? They are killing themselves. This guy never had peace from the day of deciding or be contested. This guy never had peace. The other time I made a statement in one of the stations said, if they like this, to ask the wife. Said the attacks they were seeing were too much. That the guy even decided, said, because the attacks were too much. You are destroying yourselves, killing yourselves. And you say what? So one person decided, say, this is what we want to do, and this is how we want it to go. As for that, we'll leave it for them. But if they say they are going for election, then this is force Abba. They are election prophet. So they are my and I don't know. I will do it. Only for young fun say I say the assistants, man, say young fun say by election day, Ubia Mekan in himself about something. I won't be cool. That 6 no, not a Baba Jaman and Etiso. Yeah. Not a yet didn't say people beat me a big city. It took Oba, I must say, hairdresser neighbor, and no coon could then. It's in big Baba Jaman of the G city. And now almost so able to if you are NSC Alchemy, a baby fast sitting. Yeah. In Tiffany say you draw my phone so I near Kayan. Abra NSC Alchemy fast sitting, won't send the bray. In Tibu cries of your sister by election about there, and you almost uncle pharmacy inside finding because the time was suddenly fully crowded my NPP no ya dear pa. It is NPP for person who really sitting now, more neglected Amasi, Ocean one, ever boy NPP for. And dear, some Mameno. That woman is having a special grace. Would have helped them. So that's it. That woman, I must say, no, a very special grace. Okay. The grace upon that lady. So no one saying the grace. And no one near before German from Kobosomo. Now we didn't meet here. And no, the castle didn't make everyone. Yeah, because I know what to do. Nature trend doing so na yenhwe. Na kamera says NPP if more. E be wi eche near de na ere. Akwa kudi ade. Ade se jonkuma ere na wankwa ankoye. Aya waso de ese na ere eni kudi ade. Nti ebi mo kire se omumfa saade we put a stop to it say ye be ma oba be ma na ere. Akwa kugine mu se oba be standing no akwa kudi MP. Ba na sa akwa na se ma na ware MPs ne ye ka bibi kire wo mu. Send ye whoopee baby more could do no. You do a caucus in a number of MP. Yes, Mameno.
I don't want her to even go near. Right? On Trani baby. You couldn't kunamano. On Trani baby. Now on Shankolano. The children need her.
That is also quite danger.
That is it. They were aware of the danger. They knew. Not many young guy be kasa. One NPP guy be. One day umko party be. Na party na I think he was the guy no can send me video no. They went for some I don't know what party was that. Na akotia MP no. Almost 7 wade bi na say esono.
A dance different.
The only serve no na different omaje na say osono.
Elephant. Okay.
And omode drink ne gumama no no. I'm catch a guy and say it's not good. The party NPP has become a bloody party. Party of killers. You know, until you're young guy now when people cry, we should know the job. You're young guy now, person rise when people man. You have to be prayerful. So when you're prayerful,
as said before.
That is it. A sonia spiritual backer. The other time I was listening, Prophet Amakwata baby. So the guy was coming to him, even to everything I said. Somebody sent me the video and said, you see everything you are saying. This is what the prophet that the guy went to has said. Okay, be actually the guy now. But after the election, I said, Ghana man who be. You see, this is the mistake of MPs. Me can't politicians, MPs, especially MPs. We need city we open office and no. Also we one man 2 months will be.
No son, so one baby my ana mo ya de bi tia wo mo.
No. That's not
it. Bia wo buy and one man that was it.
No, I don't say one ma na you know emwa na boa. Abasebi na eboa so that's it and na we no sa abasa no we fi sa abasa no se bibi be to bi mu a se nipa no be de hu ama
nti onu aka say yi ni wo fi covering
the thing is a covering so that's it se wo yi wo free nyame mu a bo nsam ye den onya ho kwan na nyesa nti se wo free covering na se you are not under the covering of that person again so that's it nti bibi be ye okra ono ahwe kwa nyame nyi kire no cause probably be a nyame na wo so bo ano no wa meda ase we nyi aye and Bible said those who honor our honor so as I say so because you have won election you have not come back to say thank you are not whole we want that whole
that is
that is it yare ne de omu nyina nya yare sen baba ku ye ho na chese ne de na mabiom attack man so biom bankai na betumi asan aba bibi betumi aba ho so biom because man go dance gratitude penny bi kase bi kire me na I never forget that word was say gratitude is an insurance
very deep
gratitude is an insurance for more. Till the moment you are grateful for what people do for you, it's an insurance for you.
To receive more.
That is it. See, me panel himself be grateful to all that dear mawa. That is it. Because we say we are grateful. We show gratefulness. But this is MP so. After the win election, you can help 30 MPs. After the win election, only 5 will come to you. To say thank you. Then you musika kra na ope. But we pay. That's all. Are you getting me? So, you know, they must learn from this thing. They must learn from it. A true beer. No wishing a deal. No wishing a deal. Yes, after you have won now, I'm busy here. I'm busy tomorrow, I'm busy. You're free, I'm busy. Oh, are you not coming? I'm busy. Are you not doing? I'm busy.
Now, I some also we need to demand it so much because they say we need or on success and not saying your MP responsibilities not also.
There are pastors who do that. Where is to them? They have never demanded anything from any MP. So I say, me MPs are being with them. You can ask them. Some of them, I don't even call them. If not the message I have for them, say, I don't even call them. I don't call them. You won't see my call. If not, God has given me a message, and I'm going to be there for and a direction be as and I'm also saying, I won't call you. I won't ask you anything. Because I believe in there will be a account one on your mouth. I believe in that. I believe so nipa no e kana kuma na nipa no nkasa ya de ma wa oye according to oye wona kuma ma na onye hu hira enye dia wo chinchin nipa no saye den age enya nhire be nim wo nya hu hira nipa no so nya hu hira see I believe in that.
Odi for the enkomo is na wo kasa wo prophet am akwanted in share video nsem bia no so na de fa ho video ba ko so am chance upon it ono so kire se aso wo se NPP flag no e fa hye
am
pada ne nso
yes eno krepa
se ono so mo connect abeto mo ntin so asa mo decision bi mo take ye no mo san akwa take decision ni bi ye man penin dada adwo na jekunkufo so video na momonte so dress as NPP phone wo ma sideline na fi party.
That is it.
That
is it.
Yan kan ni na mo near the way forward for NPP 2028.
Me, I'm telling you. NPP is not going to win 2028 election. But if they can gather and prepare themselves and regather again and recover from their ways, there are chances ahead of them.
No, not 2028.
No, for 2028, because even if NPP win 2028, it will depend on this government.
Okay.
Because 2028 is still for the NDC. If they win, only 2 mistakes of this government, and I bet they need 2 million, and they are my NPP. 2 mistakes, which I will never talk about, unless in secrecy. 2 mistakes. This is how 2 mistakes. So they should gather because their papa Mokatan and Ekano and cry. And they should go and ask why on my flag and a half ashe. They should go and ask why. How many directions are course with your NPP?
It also.
Only spiritual directions are course. Only the pie. It's NPP. And they are still on their old way. No.
And no, sir, I saw for a year. A year, one more partner, a form of Quabi soon a year.
I saw for a year. Those who died unrighteously. A year. Almost soon. One more, ya did tear woman. And so, a year, one did tear. But most of the times, prophets, the directions of prophets. Were deeply against the NPP.
Okay.
Because of their ways. Any attacks are not about so. Attacks are not about prophecies. So. Attacks are not about quasophobia. So. Asophobia and common mark almost say, you will need election, be way if you win, say, you think somebody know that if you win an election, you attack him? Obi say who plan say win election, we have be good na sorry. No. So NPP is in exile for 12 years. They should rather change their mind.
Odi for the kwakwa.
Bible said if we shall turn from our evil ways and seek the face of God and pray, then He will listen to us. It means we are rejecting you. But if we will come back, if my people that are called by my name will turn from their evil ways and will come to me and will cry unto me and will pray, He said, I will listen to them and I will heal their land. That is what the NPP need. They should get back to God. Thank you.
Odi for yes, that's pa. Ebusia, the NPP for here na na Prophet Bohyeba abon tofa e de atudwa amaye no. Yese ne waso no wontie ne honhom no e ka e de kire asafo. Aha. Na ebe ma kwan me de enkomo twetwe ne nyina esiye. Mesre se obegya wo comment o video no ase e de amame. O first time I would share me near me subscribe button so. Fa be on the cam wo ye ne sa na upload into wo pe wo ne first person ya wo phone be won kaye no wetime ho se ne ensem no ni nyina esiti all the social media platforms no okowa eye too much it also eye akai se obe subscribe no wa like na wa share se be na wunya bi nso ebi ne wiahwe adwa papa bi na me de so